Today you are going to start a new unit, and this unit is all about quadrilaterals. So before we go too far, we want to review what it is that you already know about polygons. A polygon is a figure that meets the following two conditions. It's formed by three or more segments, called sides, where two sides are not collinear. And each side intersects exactly two sides, one at each endpoint. Are these figures polygons? Why or why not? You can see that the first figure has sides, and each side intersects two others. The second example is not a polygon because those are not sides. That's just a curve. The next one is not a polygon because two of the sides do not intersect. And the fourth one is a polygon. It meets all the criteria. When is a polygon regular? When all of its sides are congruent and when all of its angles are congruent. This polygon is called equilateral and equiangular. State whether the polygon is best described as equilateral, equiangular, regular, or none of these. We can see the tick marks. That means that the first shape, the first polygon, has four congruent sides. The example in the middle, the angles are marked as the same, but the tick marks are different. Some are single and some are double. And the third example would be a regular polygon because both the angles and the sides are congruent. So your answer would be equilateral, equiangular, and regular. How do we name polygons? This is called notation. We use the letters that have been marked so that we could start with M, N, O, P, Q, R, going in consecutive order. Okay, let's try this. Identify which of the following figures are polygons. If a figure is not a polygon, explain why. So we have the same criteria. The first one meets both requirements. It has three sides or more. Each side intersects two other sides. Number 2 is not a polygon because there is no intersection on the last two lines. And number 3, it is a polygon. 4, 5, and 6. Are these polygons? The first one has 3 sides, and all sides intersect two other sides. The middle example is not a polygon because the sides extend beyond and do not end at the endpoints. And the third example, yes, might be strange looking, but it is a polygon. It meets the criteria. Okay, should be champs by now. What do you say about the first one, the second one, and the third one? Mark yes or no. That might be the best for you. So here we are with quadrilaterals. They're polygons with all of the other criteria and another property that they have 4 sides. Quad, the prefix quad means 4. Quadrilateral, lateral means sides. means that all quadrilaterals must meet the same conditions that polygons must meet, plus one more. It is formed by 3 or more segments called sides, where none of the sides are collinear. It means that all quadrilaterals must meet the same conditions that polygons must meet, plus one more. So we've added the next. Each side intersects exactly 2 sides, one at each end point. And the one extra condition is that it has 4 sides. So that should be pretty familiar to you. And this is the end of this video, and we'll be ready to go to the next one and find out more.